Hey guys, Oldman here, and today we've got a little challenge video. I'm going to see if a wind-up toy will survive being frozen. So we're going to freeze the Sky on Ice and see how he looks when he comes out. So guys, as you can see, ice and iced. Completely frozen. So, we're going to crack this guy open, see if he works. Man, oh man. So after that climactic war, there's one question remains. Does he still work? Maybe a case of a different surface. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, we're back on a different surface. The question is, does he operate? He does just about. It's a bit broken. Oh well. There'll still be a bit of ice in there. So, hope you enjoyed that video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!